there, it's your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, and I have your product picks for campaign 10 of 2022. And somewhat appropriately for campaign 10, Avon is helping Belief, one of our skincare lines, to celebrate 10 million of their True Cream moisturizers. So they're the True Cream Aqua Bomb and the True Cream Moisturizing Balm moisturizers. They have sold 10 million of those. And to celebrate that milestone, we have a special packaging. They love to do, fun things with the packaging for Belief. But more importantly than the fun design of the package is the jumbo size jar of Aqua Bomb that is in the package. So we do have the jumbo size as a limited edition just to celebrate this milestone. And when you get the bonus size, jumbo size Aqua Bomb in campaign 10, you also get the 10 million celebration on the go kit. And these are always super popular because they have deluxe sample, trial, travel size, whatever you want to call them, little minis of some of our favorite Belief products, like the Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser. Let's see, which one is this? This is the Aqua Bomb Aloe, which is a great addition if you want some additional soothing, and I'll tell you a little bit more about the original Aqua Bomb in a moment. The True Cream Aqua Bomb Original, the Belief, let's see, what do we call I forgot what we called it, just the moisturizing eye balm. I forgot what we called the eye cream. And a new addition to what we have available through Avon is the Aqua Bomb Hydrating Toner. So you get all of that as a little gift when you get the bonus size of the Aqua Bomb. And you may be asking yourself, if you haven't already heard about it, what is so great about Aqua Bomb and Belief? So Belief is a company that they take a 100-plus-year-old tradition of natural herbs and sort of like an apothecary tradition and combine that with modern skincare science. So you get really, really effective products that are free from a ton of stuff that you don't want in your skincare. So I personally, huge fan of the Aqua Bomb, would not be without it. This is like on days that I do nothing else for my skin, I do Aqua Bomb. Like that is how much I love this. And it has been a game changer for my personal skincare regimen. But it has benefits like it is a nice, lightweight, really lightweight. It doesn't weigh down at all. You can kind of see there. Gel cream formula. Has a very pleasant, natural, kind of a clean citrus scent that actually comes from the ingredients in the product. It's not an added fragrance. But that nice lightweight gel formula has a very cooling effect on the skin. So, we're coming into the summer months. That's going to be an extra benefit of that. And it just really, it boosts skin's hydration by 70%. So just really super moisturizing. Keeps skin looking smooth and healthy. And the Aqua Bomb has additional ingredients that help to minimize the look of pores. Which that has been why it's been just a wonderful thing for me, because I have combination skin that, I have to use moisturizer or it's really dry, but every other moisturizer I've ever used, within about an hour or two, my skin starts to get oily and shiny. So this is the only moisturizer I have used that does not do that at all. Like by the end of the day, I'm still shine free, and it even helps avoid shine even when I'm adding other products. So another benefit of it being nice and lightweight is if you layer products. So if you're using serums or you're using multiple creams for any reason, this is a great product for layering. It's really, really nice over, if you're doing a serum or two. This is a great addition to that without adding a lot of weight. It is dermatologist tested, so you can be confident in that. And it's good for all skin types, not just combination or oily skin. It's also great for sensitive skin, which a lot of skincare products are not necessarily recommended for sensitive skin. Another cool, fun thing you can do with this is you can actually take, and I will do this sometimes at night or on days that I'm just home for the day and I'm not really like getting done up for the day, you can actually apply it a little bit thicker and leave it on as a mask, and it'll be just an extra hydrating boost for that. So that is our Belief 10 million celebration there for that. And move to my next notes. I always take notes because I don't want to forget to tell you guys anything important. So I always have to jot down my notes. So another really cool addition to our makeup line is Tipsy, TPSY, Tipsy. And these are really fun, bold colors and really fun formulas, but they're very fun for the adventurous. So to kind of give you a little bit of the vibe of the Tipsy collection. And it's, so their little introduction is life is intoxicating, so inject some unpredictability into the mundane. I will say actually not very unpredictable. It actually performs very, very well. So I have 3 of the new Tipsy products that we're introducing. I have the Forever Lip Marker, which is what I'm wearing today. This is the shade Blackberry Bite, and it is, just like it says, it's a marker. So it's kind of like a lip stain. It goes on, or like a lip ink. So it goes on and it dries like instantly. So it's set. It's going to stay for a really long time. It's kiss proof. I have worn it combining it with like the lip oil that I'm going to show you, or like something like a gloss over it. And I do find it doesn't wear as long when you pair it with something that doesn't have the same long wearing benefits. But use lip balm when you do your skincare, put this on when you do your makeup, and it does stay really, really well. It stays great, and your lips don't feel dry and parched and chapped like they might with some other lip products. We also have, speaking of the other lip products, we have the Shiny Lip Oil, and this is the shade Love Galore. And this is really cool. I really, really like this. This is going to be fun for a quick on-the-go kind of. So it goes on pretty clear, but you can see almost immediately that it kind of develops a little bit of a pink color. So it's going to be a very personalized, custom kind of color. And I will go ahead and put some on over this, even though I won't wear it that way for the day. But it's got a super, super moisturizing feel. And I know you're thinking, lip oil, isn't that going to feel like greasy and slidey? And it really doesn't. I mean, at very first when you put it on, you get a little bit of that oily texture, but it just absorbs right in and moisturizes the lips and just gives you that little kiss of color. So it works with any lip color. Doesn't matter, what, it just gives you that extra little flush of pink. There's also the shade My Boo, which is this kind of orangey red that's in the picture there. So if you want a little bit more color, or a little more, you want to go a little more vintage classic red, you can do that with this one too. The last thing I have from our new Tipsy collection is I want to highlight you liquid highlighter. And this is a really, really versatile highlighter because you can use it as, it's a liquid highlighter. So it goes just like that. And you can use it as a primer, which is what I did today. You can mix it in with your liquid foundation, or you can just use it as a highlighter. So say, for example, I want to add just a little bit of highlight along the top of the cheeks. I could just come in and tap that in there. And it's very pearlized, ultrafine pearls color. So it just really helps catch a little bit of light. And now, just so that I'm not uneven all day, I got to do the other side. But has a nice moisturizing feel to it. Some primers have maybe like a drying feeling to them because they're designed to help mattify your look. So this has got, as a primer, it worked really well to give just a nice surface for my makeup to go onto. You can see kind of how it blends out there. And it just gives kind of like a nice light reflecting pearl. So you can use it as a primer under your makeup. Like I said, you can mix it with your liquid makeup. I used it under my makeup today because I was using the Match Filter, which is a cream to powder formula. So that, you know, you can't mix this into that like you could a liquid foundation. But yeah, so Tipsy, like I said, Tipsy, nice, fun products. All of the, oh, I forgot to show you the other shades in the lip marker. So you've got kind of like a nice angel pink. This is the one I've got on, the Blackberry Bite. You've got the Sour Candy, the Orangey Red, which every one of my rep friends that I've seen this on, it looks fabulous. And then the, what is it? Something Crazy Rabbit. Couldn't remember what kind of rabbit it was. Is kind of an orangey color, but all of the colors looked great. Like I said, they go on, dry right away, and have a nice long-lasting application on them. We've also added some summer fragrance, our limited edition to our LYRD collection, our LYRD Coastal Lotus. And I'm also wearing this one today. And if you have the actual brochure, so if you're one of those who has requested the brochure by mail and you got the brochure by mail, there is a rub and experience circle on the Coastal Lotus page in the brochure. So be sure to check that out so you can experience the scent for yourself. Really fresh, sweet, breezy, beachy scent. So, you know, of course, coastal, you're going to have that kind of beach vibe. So it has top notes, citrusy top notes like mandarin, mango, and lemon zest. You've got a nice floral blend with some gardenia and lotus flower, and a new flower that I haven't encountered before called, let me see if I can pronounce this right, frangipani petals, and really, you know, nice floral scent. And then the base of the fragrance is driftwood and marine accord, so you've got kind of that beachy, you know, oceany scent, and then a little bit of musk. So it's a really, really great summer scent. It's not super heavy. It's nice and light, and it really is a really beautiful blend of the citrus, the florals, and the wood and marine accord at the bottom. So that's the Coastal Lotus. This one is limited edition, so it's just going to be available for the season. So be sure to snatch that up while you can. And let's see, we have some fun little limited edition makeup items that we added for Mother's Day. So we have this limited edition Glimmer Eyeshadow Quad in these fun spring colors. And then the one that I picked up was the FMG Cashmere Soft Glam Eyeshadow Palette here. And first off, just love the look of the package. I mean, that looks really nice sitting on your vanity. And, you know, nice looking packaging is not a necessity, but when you've got it, it's a bonus for sure. And absolutely love these colors. Just a nice mix of kind of neutrals and pinky mauves. Today I'm wearing, and I will take my glasses off so you can see a little more. I have the bottom three shades. So I have the kind of pale pink under the brow just to give it a little bit of highlight. My lid color is this beautiful, love this color, this mauve-y pink in the middle. And then you've got kind of this berry shade out in the corners. And then for my liner today, I actually mixed these two colors. The berry is just a touch too red to be a liner. You know, makes your eyes look like maybe you're not feeling too well. But mix it with the bronzy color and you get this great, you know, subtle liner color there. So I like just a little bit of definition, not necessarily a bold line. And it's our, you know, our Cashmere eyeshadow. So it's got that really nice, soft, fine milled, long wearing, no creasing, no, you know, sliding all over the eye. Great formula there. And last but not least, we have a really cool special offer for Mother's Day, a Mother's Day bundle. And I don't actually have one to show you because it's so limited edition, they would not let representatives order it ahead as a preview. So you can't get it until campaign 10, but it's a special deal. So with any $20 purchase from the brochure, you can get this deal for $24.99. And you know, I usually don't really get too much into prices, but just wanted to share just how wonderful of a deal this was. You have this great tote bag, and let's see, we'll look at the size on that. So it's the exclusive Floral and Fabulous tote. There's a slip pocket on the front and a hanging inner slip pocket. It's 15 inches long, 12 and a half inches high, and 5.5 inches deep at the bottom. And then the handle drop is 9.5 inches. So really, really good size. It's this same kind of, you know, soft, kind of blurred floral print as the eyeshadow palette. And it comes with the Clinical Eye Lift Pro Dual Eye System, which is our top selling eye system. Comes with our a new Ultimate Day Cream and our Far Away, the original Far Away perfume. So really, really awesome little set there that you can get just in campaign 10. So limited edition. Be sure to pick that up because that is a fabulous deal. Even if you just donate the tote bag or make it as a gift for somebody, those 3 products, that's 3 of our top selling products for only $25. So really, really good deal. So that's all I have for you this campaign. Hope you all are having a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you again soon.